Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App over to Apple Pay. So if you prefer using Apple Pay for purchases but have funds sitting in your Cash App balance, knowing how to transfer money between them makes transactions that much more convenient. This video is going to be useful for any Cash App user who wants to move money from their Cash App balance to their Apple Pay wallet. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn how to send money from your Cash App to your Apple Pay. So before we actually jump into this tutorial, I do want to say that you are going to need the Cash Card, or you're going to need the accounting and routing number from your Cash App. So before we head over to the actual Apple Wallet app, be sure you have that information. That is your Cash App card number and all of that information, or your account and routing number for your Cash App account. But with all that said, I will see you guys in the Wallet app. So once you have the Wallet app loaded up, and to load up the Wallet app, it's really as simple as just finding the wallet icon on your homepage, or you can scroll down, type in wallet, and it will pop right up. But it's super simple to get the funds over from your Cash App account over into your Apple Pay balance. All you do is hit this top right corner, and then you can hit a debit or credit card. Now, this is important because you're going to hit continue, enter card manually, and you'll be able to actually put in the card number and all the details that are associated with that Cash App card I was telling you about earlier. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it if you're wanting to transfer those funds over, because whenever those funds are over, all you do is go over to your Cash App balance, you hit this top right corner, you add money, and you click on the Cash App card, and you just add the money like that, however much money you want, and that's really all there is to it. So now that we have this tutorial out of the way, here are some important tips. My first tip for you is that you need to link your Cash App card to Apple Pay before you do anything else. Tip number 2 is transfers may take a few minutes or up to 1 to 3 business days if using standard deposits, so just keep that in mind. My third and final tip for this video is if you don't see your Cash App card in Apple Pay, check your Apple Wallet settings and try to add it manually. But with all of those tips and the tutorial out of the way, I really hope that this video was helpful. If you did like this video or enjoy it, please be sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think that this video will be helpful to. And yeah, most importantly of all, hit the subscribe button. We're constantly doing tutorials on this channel. And with all of that said, peace out.